What's up, boys? I'm back in Connecticut. Let's take the DLX for a ride. Maybe get some drone shots. See if it starts. It still runs decent. Spring is in the air, boys. Leaves are turning and falling off the trees. Check my mail, and black key tags might be in. Looks like all junk. These are off-road non-DOT knobbies. I'm gonna have to switch them out. I have some 50/50s. Nice parking job. If we can get some foliage video. Looks like a good spot. The old hang gliding hill up there. I'd have to unlock the height because I'm at maximum height. Look how windy, literally leaning. That's me in the middle of the field there. There's Hunt's Furniture right there. My house is that away. Oh, it's very windy. That's a cemetery. I should turn it so I can use my head to look down. Takes a little get used to with the head tracking, because I can look straight down at myself. See? Head tracking is very nice, especially if you want to look around, you know. That's the rec park. That's a school over there. Gas station. pond they just finished. That's a state school over there. We're about a little over half a mile away now. Yeah, we're into the state school now. There's the old hospital. Full battery, return to home. We're returning home, boys. We don't want to run out of battery. %, battery. I think we're gonna make it. We should make it. 25, oh yeah. Coming for a landing, boys. Tall grass. And we're ready for next flight. I was gonna switch it over, put it in my backpack, but this works alright. Not going nowhere. Let's get home, see what this video looks like. People used to fly remote control airplanes up here years ago. People meaning me and other people. I was never really a pro at airplanes. I keep in the sky, I could take off, but I had a hard time landing. And that's probably the most important thing. Years ago, you would literally take weeks to build something. Go out, fly it, crash it, you're done. Take a week or so to fix it up, get it flying again. Well, the way I crashed anyway. These drones are way better. So much nicer. Easier. Hawk still runs good. I just want to change these tires. I have the ones I took off here, I think, believe it or not. They're like 50/50s. That'd be fine. I don't really do the extreme off-road that I used to do, just because a lot of those places are literally shut down. So I'll switch to the 50/50s. I always forget to turn that head tracking on. Makes it a lot nicer if you want to look down while you're flying across. I mean, I could have turned up my height range over 400 feet to get over that mountain because it's above ground level. So I technically could have went up 400 feet over that mountain. I wanted to see over toward my house, but it was good enough going around the side of the mountain. Yeah, the Hawky runs good. Just these knobby tires aren't balanced, and the rear one's not even seated all the way on the rim. So yeah, we'll change those out. Probably should have done it while I had the back tire off, huh? Stupid cheesy. I didn't realize they were non-DOT. The DLX exhaust is loud. See, they're all dressed up in their jackets and everything. It's only about 70 out and getting down below 40 at night. I still got a few more weeks of decent weather for bikes. So I definitely want to get Whitey out. Get Gray out. Get the DRZ out. See if I can think of different rides. where I can go. Maybe take the drone each time so you can see the weather change. Did good, Hawky. Till next time, stay cheesy.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.